Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. Here comes another internship opportunity for students from Microsoft. Microsoft has recently announced about launching the internship program Future Ready Talent to teach technology skills to make today's youth job ready. This program has been designed keeping the learners at the center. With its Learn, Apply, Implement framework, this program will offer students an end-to-end experience. Some of the highlights of this program: it's going to be a virtual internship. Microsoft is going to offer in-demand latest cutting-edge technology-related skills relevant to industry. It's going to be a learn and practice anytime, anywhere option. The first batch is going to start from September 27, 2021, and the first batch will consist of 50,000 students, and it's applicable for second year of college students or above and 2021 pass out as well. And there is no cost and there is no stipend for this program. Now we will see some more details about this Future Ready Talent program. This program is to promote young talent. Microsoft has launched this program exclusive for graduates and undergraduates. This program aims to enable students to solve business challenges and creative innovative solutions using the power of Microsoft Azure and GitHub tools. And also, the aim of this program is to teach technology skills to make today's youth job ready. Students must be in their second year of college or above. This program aims to impact over 1.5 lakh students and make them employable between 2022 to 2024. It's at free of cost and no stipend provided. It offers students a unique opportunity to be job ready by focusing on skills that will be in demand in the future, like cloud computing, data, and AI and cyber security. And some more details, like this internship program will have the following key modules. It's going to be a self-learning, and there will be industry sessions, and you will also get project mentoring, and finally you're going to get project submission. And this internship program is a collaborative effort by various companies like Microsoft, GitHub, Ernst & Young, Quest, Future Skills Prime. Now we will see what each company provides as a service. First, let us start with Microsoft. Microsoft will provide learning modules and certifications. Ernst & Young will take care of the technological part and provide mentorship. GitHub will provide free access to GitHub Student Developer Pack. Quest will take care of virtual job fair for the eligible students, and AICTE will take care of the curriculum part, and they will verify whether it's aligned with National Education Policy 2020. And Future Skills Prime, these courses will be available through Future Skills Prime. Before that, SSC NASCOM will ensure the courses are aligned with NOS. Now, these are the certain parameters and information related to the internship. The eligibility for this program is, as I mentioned earlier, it is 2021 freshers, and also the students who are going to pass out in 2022 and 2023. Specialization or stream could be anything, and the duration is going to be 9 weeks, and the learning time is 190 hours. Last day to apply for this program is 26 September 2021. So the batch is going to start from 27th September 2021, will consist of 50,000 students in their initial batch. Now, these are some of the benefits what you're going to get through this internship program. You will receive an internship certificate, and this is going to be a self-paced learning. Anytime, anywhere you can learn these courses, and you're going to get a collaboration with peers and global developers and industry aligned curriculum, and also you are going to get virtual career fair. And some more benefits, like you will receive mentor support, industry certification, and additional offers for learners from Microsoft. So this is going to be a very good opportunity for students. So don't miss it. Grab it as early as possible and also share it with your friends. This is the link to apply. Provide this in the description of this video. I will come back with another interesting topic. Until then, it's me, Suchi, signing off from you all. Bye bye. Take care.